what CTC offers. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, like you can learn something from each course. I was already kind of growing plants when I started taking these courses, but I've still learned way more than I ever would have. And especially having a professor as somebody as like a sounding board who's like a subject matter expert is definitely the difference.
We are doing two types of tests. One is the SPAT test to check the chlorophyll content on plant leaves, and we are also doing tissue analysis. We have two hydroponics tanks at the back room there. The plants are looking deficient, whereas the other plants that got the same treatment are looking healthy. The students are out here to do not just the SPAT to check how much chlorophyll the plant has, we also want to check in depth in the tissue, the stem, the leaves, what exactly is missing.
Specifically in this course so far, I'm learning how to manage the physical greenhouse. One day I do hope to build my own greenhouse, so I'm learning like how to use the hydroponics tables, how to use the agronomy towers, what specific plants and or crops we can grow. I'm learning, how to like work the lighting and manage the humidity and the moisture in here is all very important. Don't be afraid to just come out here and try. I think that was my biggest thing. I was scared to come back as somebody who was older. You can see in our classroom, there's so much diversity in age and wisdom and experience that it's just go for it.